All right, people, Nick Roberts here, and welcome to my Inbox Equalizer review video. I'm inside the members area here, and today I'm going to open up each module, give you a virtual tour, and you can see whether you want to check this out for yourself. Now, what is Inbox Equalizer? It's basically a software and a training which is going to help you land your emails in people's inbox instead of their spam folder. And it's also going to give you some really cool subject lines so that people actually want to open your emails, okay? You know, a huge problem is when you're sending emails to a list, if your emails land in the spam, no one's going to see them, no one's going to open them, you're never going to make any money from them, okay? So you're wasting your time, all right? And again, if your subject lines aren't compelling, even if your email is in the inbox, you know, people see that subject line and they're like, oh, well, I can't be asked with that. They won't open it. They won't click your links. Again, you're making no money. You're sort of wasting your time, all right? So Jorge here, who put together this training and this software, he's going to help you fix both of those problems, all right? And I'm going to show you how it works right now. So you've got a couple of things going on here. You've got a subject line generator and a content checker, okay? So the subject line generator is where you can generate subject lines. All right, so you can just preview, got some ones here. 2 things you must know about making money online, the reasons why everyone loves affiliate marketing. I don't know, you can plug it in. But what you can do is you can plug in different keywords here, okay? And it doesn't have to be make money online or affiliate marketing. It can be in the health, fitness, wellness, relationships niche, whatever you want, okay? You plug in your keywords, it's gonna generate subject lines for you, okay? And each one comes with a score, all right? Let's preview a few more. Each one comes with a score here. Let's see if there's one with a green score. There usually is. Okay, not this time. But anyway, 7 strange facts about blank. All right, and then you can hover over here, and it's going to tell you how you can increase your score a bit. So it says you're using numbers. Nice. Okay, so we've got some numbers in there. It's happy about that. It also says try to use symbols like a question mark or a thing. Okay, so 7 strange facts about. If we just drop that in, you can see our score's immediately gone up. You're using symbols. It likes that. It says a lot of it is uppercase. Try to keep it below 10%. So if we just knock out a bit of the uppercase, for example, it likes it even more. And this is all stuff that apparently is going to help us stay out of the spam folder. Okay. So anyway, you can keep on playing with it, keep on increasing your score until you get into the green. All right. So that's a subject line generator, and it's this is just the front end version. But when you get the upgrades, apparently you get more subject lines, more swipes, and all that sort of stuff. Okay, let's go check out the content checker. So here you can actually plug in emails of your own. Okay, you can actually write out your own emails in here, and for example, if I put like hey first name, would you like to make money online? Bam. What happens is you start writing out your emails in here, and it's going to flag certain words. Okay, these are the kind of words that are going to land you in the spam folder. All right, and this is really important to know. All right, and I didn't even realize that the word bonus can land you in the spam folder. Okay, so you want to be careful with this sort of stuff, and you want to go and change up how you write stuff, and something like that would be better. Okay, and you can even change up certain words like that, and people still understand what you're saying, but it's gonna get you in the inbox instead of the spam. Okay, so it's gonna flag certain words, help you out. There's also another cool thing is you can choose all these different niches. For example, make money online, and there's different email swipes. Okay, so let's try shatter your expectations. Okay, and you can see there's a whole email here that's written. Now the cool thing about this is this one's already sort of optimized to land in the inbox, and you can even see that. Like there's words like earn, it's put a little dot in it. Okay, words like sales, we still know what that is, but it's got 1 instead of the L. Okay, little tweaks like that, which gonna give you the edge, get you in the inbox instead of the spam. Okay, so some really cool stuff going on there, and hopefully that's pretty handy to you. All right, and then we've got this list of sort of power words that you can use to spice up your emails. You can always go through them, but the main part of this software is the subject line and the content checker. And there's also another thing here, these done for you campaigns. Basically, these done for you campaigns, you need to upgrade to get a lot of them, and a lot of them are, I think, are on Warrior Plus, but it does come with a couple here ready to go. And you can basically just, if you do upgrade, you can just go and blast this to your list. All right, and yeah, that's basically it for the front end product. pretty cool. As I said, this is something that you want to sort out, is make sure your subject lines are killer and compelling, and people are opening your emails, and also making sure you're not going to the spam, all right? Because otherwise you are spending a lot of time, a lot of energy writing these emails, blasting them to your list, and no one's seeing them, all right? And that's a real shame, all right? So this software here is going to help you fix that. If you do want to check it out for yourself, if you do want to pick it up or just learn a bit more, I'll leave a link to it below this video, all right? But I'm gonna leave it at that. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you all the very best wherever you are in the world, and take care.